Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is the review about Casio simple calculator. Its model number is MJ-120D plus. I have bought it today, and what features it gives? It gives 300 steps check feature, recheck feature, extra large display, localized number display, text calculations. It has dual power, and it gives maximum 12 digit display. So this is the box of the calculator, and it also mentions the whether the product you have bought is genuine or fake. It shows that for verification, scratch and SMS code to 866, and serial number is this. As I had scratched it, I will send this serial number to above mentioned mobile number or computer number to check whether it is original or fake. So let's go to its opening. These are some booklets with it. You will see them later. It is in multiple language, in Chinese, in Arabic, in English. So we have to skip this. Let's come to a calculator. This is the calculator. It is a nice square shape calculator. Casio calculator. It shows battery power DC 1.5 volt, and its rating is solar cell and battery. It uses both batteries. So it shows use battery LR44 into 1. It shows made in Philippines, that it is made in Philippines. So let's see it's working. 1 2 3 plus 1 2 3. So it has very nice display. I bought it for my accounting studies, so it is a very nice calculator, and I bought it for $10 or rupees 1550 Pakistani rupees. So this is from today's calculator preview. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, then please mention them in a comment box. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.